What's up, bro?
Thirsty, thirsty, trying to choose. I mean, I know.
My chin hair though, bro. That shit crazy. That shit wild. What's going on right here? I don't know if y'all seen it. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Hold up. Ooh. Hey, this camera slick slap though. We out the Galaxy S50, I think, something like that. It's an off-brand one, but it's still a Galaxy. But this shit hard though. This shit clear. Did you take a snapshot, nigga? What the fuck? Hold up, somebody texting me. Gotta get the phone fixed. It's all bad. Look at that mud. Look at that. That's tough. In the Chick-fil-A, looking at I ain't a Chick-fil-A, nigga. I'm at cookout. But yeah, I'm in the cookout line right now, nigga. I'm finna call me something to eat, nigga. I almost passed out a while ago, for real, no cap, bro. On saggy couch, nigga. I should have vlogged the whole thing, nigga. I got my screen fixed, nigga. Look at the screen. Hold up. The screen smooth now, nigga. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But this camera quality not bad. For real. I'm filming on the Galaxy right now. Looking at this. The Galaxy right now though. Nigga, I didn't even know I was recording. Nigga, I just clicked record on accident and shit. Still on the line, waiting for my cookout, bro. When I get it, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Moving on up. Moving on up. I'm gonna fuck this food up. Soon as she hand it to me, nigga, I'm gonna eat it through the bag. What are you talking about? Okay. Got that honey mustard on deck, nigga. You already know. You already know what's finna go down.
The Norse Valkyrie.
Look at the camera. A super good camera.
Used to wear them for protection.
Go lag on you.
Valkyries fly over.
I don't care if it lag. I just want to catch.
That you want
The vlog footage. Right now you look dark.
Dark as fuck.
But I'm gonna use this phone for like vlog.
Look at my chin hair, fool.
Look at mine. Don't get on chin hair.
I just got shade though.
What's good, vlog? Back with another little vlog. I know I look hit right now. I just woke up, bro. I know I look hit. They don't gotta tell me in the comments. But if you do, you do. Chin hair still like it is. But yeah, I'm finna go down. I got my change jar. I'm finna go clean these carpets. Hold on, let me show y'all real quick. Oh, these mats, nigga. I gotta clean these. Look at that, bro. Look at this.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Look at this. That's what I'm finna go do. And I'm gonna bring y'all a little, I don't even know if I'm gonna post these, bro. I'm just finna collect clips. As much clips as I can until I go do something. But when I do something, you know I'm gonna bring the camera. You know it. Cause I'm bringing the camera on these little bitty ass vlogs. I ain't even doing shit right now, but I'm gonna clean my car out. That's it. But I'm bringing y'all. I'm a little hit, bro. Dewey on, but I need to get right. I need to chop or something. Yeah, but I'm gonna hit y'all back up when we get to the damn. I'm gonna hit y'all back up when we get to the damn car wash, bro. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the videos, bro. It means a lot. Next clip. I'm most definitely hooping. Nah, but I ain't hooping today. My fault, y'all. I ain't never get the before and after, but yeah, this mug clean now. Nice and clean. 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 Yes, sir. Nigga, they Sean pulled up on me. Got the vlog out. Damn, look dark as fuck. They Sean pulled up on me though. Look at the fro, nigga. Peep the fro. I cut the dreads off and got the fro. But I'm gonna grow it all back though. Finna go here and eat some Mexican. Hold on, let me turn the camera. Go here and focus on Mexican. Up, nigga. Think I ain't what I am. Peep the drip, nigga. You know I gotta have the Adidas drip. That's recommended. That's all day. What you talking about? My fucking keys. Freshest nigga in town. Jilly gonna be the vlog phone, dead ass. What? No cap. Trying to get buffet, can't even get buffet. They're talking about fries, the only thing they got, and something else. That's tough. That hurt. Ooh. Ooh. It's gone. It's gone, bro. How you feel? I'm stuffed, bro. I'm ready to go to sleep. No cap. Yes, sir. Record. We outside with it. Gazer. What happened? We on. Slide it. Hey Jeff, we not all the way at the end down there. Hold up. Jaden, put it all the way down in the white.
Oh, that one?
Oh yeah. No, never mind.
We gotta put a piece in.
Yeah, we started from right here. My fault.
Yeah.
I'm tweaking. That's good.
Yeah.
Oh, you need it right there?
Yeah, it's gotta be like that.
Okay.
Leave the wine to keep the water from getting in behind it.
Okay.
So you gotta overlap it quite a bit. Some people, they get some hot glue and glue it. They ain't wasting my time doing that.
Yeah, Okay. Time wasted.
Yeah, it's in there.
Yeah, that's good.
Hey, he already hitting you up to 500. I'm like, what?
500?
Hey, what you said? I'm like, 500?
For what?
I have no idea.
Who? Guys coming. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. About done, man. Got the whole house to do though, but it's looking good. Damn good. Yes, sir.
Okay. I used to be up to no good. Hey, now I got all of these shows booked. Okay. Now I'm the man in my whole hood. Damn, hey. Think I'm doing pretty well. Pretty well. I used to be up to no